The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Happy Wednesday, fellas. FOMC day. Today promises to be slow and sluggish. Hope everybody had a great afternoon. Trial members, welcome back. Excuse me. Overnight session wasn't bad. Gold for me is down 1460. I've added. It's currently running. I just turned it back on about 7:55 just before I open the room, so we'll let it run, see if it can't get green. Tough day to run it on FOMC, as obviously gold will be affected by whatever they may do today. Copper was up 437.50. Gold on the 15-minute was up 480. And I don't run crude on inventory day. I won't even really look at crude today. So 2 green, 1 red. Not down egregiously, but we'll see if we can't get that green. It is on. It will run. I mean, at 450, I mean, I'd need 3 winning trades or so. I don't think that's possible, but volume is low again. We're 22,000 contracts below average daily volume, way low volume. Looks like we're coming down to VWAP. There we go. We do have a positive delta again. Surprise, surprise. And we haven't seen yesterday's high, so we don't have a new high. Indices are coming down slowly at the moment. I do have NASDAQ trying to short. There is what looks like a 15-minute. Yeah. Morning, Chris. Guys, it is FOMC, as you guys should know. And I do expect this is going to be a somewhat slow day. I will look for one trade, on the NASDAQ, both, and the ES, and shut them off. Profitability is it. That's what we're looking for today. I don't think we're going to see crazy volatility. In any event, good morning. Excuse me. Whoop, don't need that. GDP, core PCE prices. We do have some 8:30 news, which may give and 10 o'clock pending home sales, which may give us some movement. In any event, I'll read the disclaimer. We'll quickly look at some charts and see what we can come up with. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk.
Euro dollar hits a fresh 5-week low, last at around 1.15 to the dollar.
No movement here. Breaks 83, it'll come. Come on, gold. Get that target. NASDAQ break 83, let's go. Final target would be 63. Come on, right here. I mean, guys, they're trading like literally ones and twos. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, got that.
Order canceled.
I got to reset it. I don't play with it, Jonathan. I don't know. And if you want to know how to do it, go into the, all right, target one is hit. Go into the member area and read the description. There's a user guide in the member area. All right, I'm flat.
Order canceled.
It's out. Reset it again. Anybody still running? Anybody running gold? And held again yesterday's close. So flat on the days, held twice. But I do have a 38 target. Let's make it 39. No. All right.
Minister Wang Yi met with U.S. business delegation in Beijing.
Here's resistance. Got to stop here. I'm flat.
Order filled.
We're going to VWAP now. Down a smidge. I'm looking for one target today. I mean, one trade across the board. That's it.
Order submitted.
It's 1 minute is pending, but didn't fill.
According to the Foreign Ministry, China's Wang Yi
Not going to get it.
willing to strengthen contact with the United States to avoid miscalculations.
Order submitted.
All right, it filled. If this gets target, I'm shutting it off.
Order
Wang said
submitted.
we should establish more channels for communication and consultation. Italy's economy minister says 2025 government GDP growth target of 6% is still within reach despite the disappointing ISTAT data.
Order canceled.
All right, this is done for the day. Daily goal is here. done for the day. And if ES gets target, that'll be done for the day. Guess we're going to wait on Bank of Canada rate decision. All right, target hit here. I'm shutting that off. So NASDAQ's done for the day for me. ES is going to be a sloppy little mess again.
Starbucks shares turning negative now.
Dead. ES trying to push again.
10 seconds.
Here it comes.
No change.
No change.
2.75% as expected. Looking to the rate statement now. Bank of Canada's Macklin. So
Very exciting.
inflation largely reflects the increase in prices for goods other than energy. It also says we have stepped up our regional outreach to help understand the effects of tariffs and are adding new questions to surveys of households and businesses. Bank of Canada Monetary Policy Report does not provide economic forecasts.
All right, got it. Done for the day. Everything is green. One trade each, like yesterday. Winners, I'm done. You guys trade them as you see fit, but if you've done the same, all right, I'm long. First target back at 23.50.
Q2 output estimated to have widened to between -1.5% to -0.5%, from between -1% and 0% in Q1. The Canadian dollar saw a little bit of weakness off the back of the Canadian rate decision there and the release of the rate statement.
Man, volume's so low.
And National Economic Council's HASET, currently speaking on CNBC, says GDP data shows strong growth.
Push here. Come on, baby. I need to get 17 to go. Ugh. Low volume garbage. I don't want to see this below 83. White House's HASET speaking. Of course. Yeah, this market is terrible, Jeff. There's no, we knew that coming in, right? I still think it goes up. I mean, that whole pullback was on less than 150 contracts, 200 contracts. Pathetic. Here are totals. Gold, Ninzarenko finished up 180. Copper, Ninzarenko up. Look at this. Here comes my trade. 437.50. I take it off and it's going to target. 437.50 on copper. 480 on gold, 15-minute. No trade on crude because I don't run it on inventory day. NASDAQ 1 minute up 300. NASDAQ Ninja Renko up 300. ES up 400. So everything was green today. My first target was 34 if anybody stayed in the trade. Second try got it. It just got first target. Anybody stay on? Stay long? All right, Kit. Nice job. All right, good job, guys. Got first target. Final target is 54. Nice job, guys. Those of you that stayed.